Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay Pryor, and in today's video I will be showing you how to clean, oil, thread, and wind your bobbin on your Singer heavy duty sewing machine. And I also want to mention that these tips can be applied to other machines as well, so let's get right into it. Let's get started with cleaning the machine first. So we're going to go ahead and remove any thread. If you have any thread from up top, go ahead and remove the thread and then remove the bobbin as well. Now that the machine is clean, I'm going to go ahead and start with the oiling process. So what I'm going to do is oil this top portion inside of here first, and then we're going to oil the bobbin. The part that I will be oiling is the bar right here. So it is making contact with other metals, and we want to make sure that continues to move very smoothly. So I'm just going to put like 1 or 2 drops of oil here. So that's 1 drop, and then I'm going to do another. Now I'm just going to turn the knob on the back of the machine so the oil can get through. Now that we have it oiled, I am just going to go ahead and put the cap back on. I'm just going to go ahead and put 1 drop in that hole right there, and that'll be it for oiling the bobbin. This is the thread I'll be using here. We're going to go ahead and wind our bobbin. So I have my empty bobbin here, and then I also have my thread. I'm going to go ahead and place my thread on. Next, I am just going to follow this guide here to place my thread through. So you want to start off by putting the thread on the outside, then bring it to the inside, and there should be a crossover here. Next, you want to grab your bobbin and take the tip of your thread and place it right through the hole at the top, just like that. Once you have it in, go ahead and place it on the silver piece. Next, you want to go ahead and grab your bobbin and slide it to the right. You want to get a firm hold on your thread and go ahead and use your pedal foot and give the machine a press. Now you're going to start to see it wind. Just continue holding it for about 2 to 3 seconds. Now you can go ahead and let it go. Take your scissors and cut that tail piece off. When you start to wind it, make sure you're giving it a firm press so the thread can wrap around quite a few times before you cut the piece off. After that, you're going to go ahead and finish up. Once you start to see the machine skip a little bit and go very slow or even stop, your bobbin is finished at that point. This is what your bobbin should look like, very full. Now with my sewing machine, I am missing the piece where the thread sits. Instead, I am just gonna go ahead and put it on here, which works equally as fine. So I'm just going to follow the numbers. Number 1 is here. Number 2 is over here. So I'm just going to bring it around. Number 3 is here. So I'm going to bring it down. Here's number 4. We're just going to bring it up. Here's number 5. What we're going to do is bring the thread up. And with this hook here, sometimes you have to move the dial on the side. We're just going to bring it right through and back down. Number 6 is here at the bottom. Once we get to this point, we're going to take the thread and put it through this hook here. Right now I am holding the thread. I'm going to go ahead and take it, put it right behind that hook. Next, I am going to turn the dial on the side, and we're just going to bring this piece up, and this very small hook here is where I'm going to place the thread next. So I'm holding the thread, go ahead and place it through and just let it go through. Now that that is done, we're going to go ahead and put the thread right through the eye of the needle. Once you have the thread through, go ahead and put it right under the presser foot. So on the bobbin cover, it shows you a diagram on how to insert your bobbin. And I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Always make sure the tail of your thread is coming out of the top left. Go ahead and take the tail of your thread and you're going to put it right through this hook here. Once you have it through the hook, go ahead and take it and put it towards the back of the presser foot. Then go ahead and put the cover plate back on. Now I'm just going to go ahead and hold the top thread, which is threaded through the eye of the needle, and turn the dial on the side. Once I do that, there should be a loop that pops up. Go ahead and take your hand and bring that thread all the way through. After that, go ahead and pass everything right through the presser foot and to the back.
Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really do hope this information has been helpful and useful. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next one.